Hi everyone, this is Jim Crawford. Welcome to your hip, quick legal tip. And first of all, Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope everyone has a great holiday. I want to talk to you very briefly about misdemeanor criminal charges in Maryland commingled with traffic offenses. And what I mean by that is this. For example, you're driving in your vehicle or someone else is driving and the police stop you for, it could be anything. It could be driving through a red light, it could be speeding, but they stop you. And when they stop you, they end up charging you with something, maybe a DWI, possibly driving on suspended, driving on revoked. You have to realize that those charges are criminal charges as well. In other words, they have potential criminal ramifications such as jail time. So those traffic charges are traffic/criminal because of potential jail time. So what happens a lot of times is the police end up finding CDS products in the vehicle, and you end up getting charged with the very minor traffic charges as well as the traffic/criminal charges and the CDS product. I see it all the time. What you need to know, number one, is do not pay out any of the papal citations. Don't do that. Number two, you need to make sure that you are prepared when you go into court. In other words, you don't want to be walking into the courthouse that day saying, Judge, be lenient, etc. You need to make sure you do certain things. One of the things I do, and my office does, is send people for evaluations, drug and alcohol evaluations, and also potentially treatment or classes before we go to court. In other words, we want to make sure that's done prior to walking into the courthouse, because that's going to put you in a situation where the judge, or we can ask the court to place you in unsupervised probation and minimize any potential penalty because you've taken it seriously. So there's some steps you can take to avoid trying to minimize these things. So don't get overwhelmed. If it's a situation where you are charged in the fashion I just described, call a reputable lawyer, somebody who knows what they're doing. And sometimes, a little bit of elbow grease goes a long way. So again, everybody have a great holiday, and I'll talk to you next time.